Elon Musk, the bullied kid who dreamed big part 1. Imagine being bullied so badly that you end up in a hospital. Imagine everyone laughing at your dreams. Now imagine growing up to become one of the most influential entrepreneurs in the world. That person is Elon Musk. Before Tesla, before SpaceX, and before billions of dollars, Elon was just a quiet kid growing up in Pretoria. From a very young age, he was different. While other children played sports, Elon spent most of his time reading books. He loved science, technology, and stories about the future. Sometimes he would read for hours without stopping. But being different wasn't easy. At school, many students didn't understand him. He was quiet, shy, and always thinking about things other kids didn't care about. Because of this, he became a target for bullies. He was mocked, pushed around, and often felt alone. One day, the bullying became so serious that he ended up in the hospital. Most people would have lost confidence after experiences like that. But Elon learned something important. He learned how to ignore criticism and stay focused on his goals. That lesson would help him later when the entire world doubted his ideas. When Elon was around 10 years old, his life changed forever. He got his first computer. Instead of using it only for games, he wanted to understand how it worked. He taught himself programming by reading books and manuals. There were no online courses or YouTube videos. Everything had to be learned the hard way. He spent countless hours practicing and experimenting. Then, at just 12 years old, Elon created a simple video game called Blastar. Soon after, he sold the game's code for about $500. The amount wasn't huge, but the lesson was powerful. For the first time, Elon realized that technology could create opportunities and that ideas could become income. As he grew older, he became fascinated by innovation and entrepreneurship. He believed the future belonged to people who were willing to build new things. He also became obsessed with one country, the United States. To Elon, America was the land of innovation, technology, and opportunity. At 17, he made a bold decision.